Early Tuesday morning, air raid alerts were sounded in almost all the cities of Ukraine, be it big or small, and it also included the key cities of Kiev, Kharkiv, Mariupol, Chirnihiv, Zaporizhizhia, and many other small cities, along with the bigger towns. Ukrainians are scared that any point of time any city can be attacked, which can lead to people getting wounded and also chances of people getting killed while going out for food and water remain high. Just hope that Russia and Ukraine come onto a peace agreement and this war ends so that so many innocent people who are dying stops and peace and stability come back to Ukraine again. Stay updated with me. Thank you.